Hey everyone, welcome back. It is day 19 of the Advent Hiking Challenge. It is ripped. Today we're doing Raven Rock State Park Little Creek Loop, which is a 1.5 mile loop, and it's rated easy. I will have my mom's salted caramel chocolate. Are you coming? Hey guys, we have finished the trail, obviously. Buddy and I were in a rush, so I couldn't film a lot, and we were walking super fast because we had stuff to do today. But here are my stats. Sorry that there's no content today. Hopefully there's content tomorrow for y'all.